Alright, YouTube land. Been a while since I had a new car here. It's the Crown Vic, but this is my wife's new 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. We paid $5,000 for this thing, which is a bit more than I spend on a car. Got this thing from a dealership off Facebook. And it's pretty nice, actually. Had 2 keys. Nice black interior. And it's rocking 125,000 miles. And some change. Manual slides. You might be looking at this going, where the hell are the seats? They all fold down there, which I'll do another video on. Right now this is drying after we're doing a little detailing, because the dealership is a mom and pop, and it was kind of filthy. So off the bat, we got a nice little whiskey dent right there, from I'm going to assume hitting the bollard. Ignore the mess, I'm working on too many things here at once, including my copier, which gave up the ghost. So it's in pieces over there. But this was a repossession, believe it or not. I don't know who's buying a Dodge Durango with repoing a car with that many miles on it, but yeah, we got it for that. Got the steamer going right now. And we got one rather large dent right there in the door, which I'm going to replace that entire door because apparently it's the most common color for a Grand Caravan. Because I found 2 in the yard near here. Unfortunately, Hollywood's still closed, so I get to go to his dad's and get parts from there. And what does that mean? So, we're going to replace that door. I'm going to try a firecracker trick on this door and pop it from the outside, from the inside out. And that I will probably go see a body shop about. Wait for later. So, back to this car. Van. Minivan. Vehicle. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the big door. It'll fit 7 people. It's got 4 captain seats, 1 large bench, and the not so stellar 3.6 liter V6, I think it was. Now, the good and the bad. This thing was a smoker's car. So we were dealing with that, which meant my ozone machine had to go into overtime, which unfortunately broke. Which I then had to fix by doing a little cannibalization with the switches over there. Keys. Left them in my truck. 1 second. Alright, got the keys. But she is very nice on the startup. We got no check engine lights, and we have a bare bones dash, which I'm not the biggest fan of, and this ugly little suction cup thing, which that steamer will soon take care of. We got a 115 volt inverter. What else I have? Go back here. A TV. So this is all nice. My kids will love that. Missing the remote. I gotta buy that off Amazon, unfortunately. All the ports back here. HDMI, RCA, cigarette port, USB, house outlet. Turn this up before I kill myself with gases. But she runs just right. Go for the engine real fast. Yeah, she don't care. Happy as a clam. No leaks, nothing like that. Everything came back on her beautifully. Now, because it's snowing outside, I'm not going out for a drive right now, because that's irresponsible. What I will do, though, is show you guys the upgrades in a few days once I have them, because... Ah, motherfucker. I just hit the door frame. Oof. Ow, that hurt. Pausing. Well, I got a goose egg now. Myself right there. So what we got here so far? So right that big box is rubber floor mats because this is my wife's car, and that means the kids are going to be in it. So, woohoo. Cleanup time. We also have seat covers, which we'll be putting on here properly. It's over there. Carbon canister to get rid of any smells, which there aren't any. This ozone machine did that great job on that. Okay. Dash cam, because none of my cars cannot have a dash cam. Wipes, because we're still cleaning it. Cabin air filter, because yes. Armrest covers, because yes. And the big thing, this is a new radio. So, what else does this thing have wrong with it? Oh, if you notice the visor right there, it's broken, so I gotta pull that from a wrecked car. Again, I'm lucky because there are 2 of these at the junkyard right now. So, oh, she left water in there. That's gonna freeze. Let me get one of these rags real fast. And they are sealed up. One sec. Alright, back to this. That's better. So let's see what we got in our nice little radio box here. This carpet is still a little wet, unfortunately. Got the backup camera, which we won't be needing. Took it to the factory. Bunch of RCAs, probably for the display system. The microphone, that's good. Ooh, a can adapter, that's good. And last but not least, we have our screen. That plastic looks like ass, but whatever. So, we're going to install this. I'm going to do it all when it's done. I'll show you guys at the end. For right now, though, I'm going to steam that damn part because it's bugging the heck out of me. So what I got to do for this thing is just pretty much heat it up right here. It'll melt off that little glue. And I might show you, but I'm going to end the video here, and I'll splice in what comes next. And the cleaning job my wife did before we even started. Back at the yards, this is probably part 2 of the video. I already ripped the door off this one. I forgot to record it because I was in a rush. And it came off surprisingly easily. Easy, bleh. It's also 2016, but not as nice as ours, surprisingly. And higher mileage. I think it's going to have 225. There's another one here, which I'm debating on grabbing the side door from. But that'll be another day. Yeah, that one's cherry. I might have to come back for that one. Yeah, these ones were, God, it's windy and snowy out. The exact same damn coloring. Just no TV. Same with this guy over here. CarMax. Just full of bras and shit. But again, no TV. Then I look over here. Ram. Maintenance department. I'm like, this looks similar. And it's the exact same fucking thing with a fucking flatbed in it. But again, not as nice. And unfortunately, none of these have the nice cluster I'm looking for. So it might be eBay time for that. Ooh. Well, damn, it's all here. Sorry, I get distracted by these avalanches. I like these cars. The fact that they can go El Camino mode and drop that entire thing and is just badass to me. Alright. So, goodbye down the door. It really is a nasty dent. I hope this is a bullet hole, but I'm not fully convinced. This is like a 22 from a distance or something. But you can see it's pretty ugly. A junkyard door. It's out of the way. It's a lot better. Same color. I believe same color. Yeah, same color. And it's got a little bit of a smear right there, but there's no big nasty dent there. Just a little something right there, which will buff out pretty easily. yeah, let's get to it. Again, no bullshit. That's just from the rags. Okay, reason 102 why you should always detail your car after you buy from the dealership, no matter how nice it looks. Oh God. That's after my wife got it the first time. It was darker before. That's a mixture of tar, dirt, milk, and oh God. And everything else nasty. Yuck. Again, no bullshit. That's just from the rags.
God knows I tried. Turn on the TV.
Because it's open.
Alright, it's been a few days later, and her car is nice and clean, and best of all, no more dent. It's got the forklift scars, but no big deal. I'd rather the little scratches than a dang big old whiskey dent there. We had it brought to the car wash, had the final touches done. Seat covers we're still putting on there. The seats are all good, but with kids in the car, we don't want any messes, as we mentioned earlier. She's driven a little bit more since we last talked about it. And hold on one second. Had to turn off Bluetooth. Go to the car there. So, all the nice features here, and our little backup camera. Nice little chirp there. 3 ways. Front, this camera here, and of course the back. Got a nice little reverse cam off the factory one. USB ports run down here. This car has come a long way. And if we go behind this, it's going to start back off. We don't need that right now. They're gonna take care of that dent eventually. The kids are already back here. My eldest is over there, my youngest right here. The floor mats are in. They look pretty good. So just not beaten in place yet. As for the trunk, let's see, can I get in there? No. But it's got mats too. And this car has a name now. My eldest gave it its name. It's now called Smoothie. I don't know why, but she named this dang car Smoothie. Whatever. Smoothie the Grand Caravan. Will be with us for a good while. There's Moby Dick back there, who's still going strong. Anyway, thanks for watching. If we do any more with this car, we'll be sure to record it, as always. I mean, look at that paint. For a car this old. It's 26. It's 10 years. It's 10 years old. It's 10 years old, and its paint looks like this. Good car, good deal. Thanks for watching.